When you open the agent panel, you'll see a card for each queue you're assigned to, along with a status bar at the top. In this example, our agent belongs to 2 queues, General Support and Spanish Support. Let's look at how to control which queues you're available in using the login and logout controls. The fastest way to leave all your queues is the Logout All button in the status bar. One click and you're signed out of every queue at once. Your status changes to Logged Out and the button switches to Login All, so you can come back just as quickly. This is perfect for the end of your shift or when you need to step away completely. You don't have to join all your queues at the same time. Each queue card has its own Login button, so you can sign into just one queue independently. Here, we'll log in to General Support while staying logged out of Spanish Support. Notice the status badge on General Support changes to Available, while Spanish Support remains logged out. Now let's log into Spanish Support as well. Click the Log In button on the Spanish Support card, and you're available in both queues. The overall agent status at the top updates to Available, and the status bar button switches back to Log Out, all since you're now signed in to at least one queue. You can also leave a single queue while staying in others. Click the Logout button on the Spanish Support card, and you'll stop receiving calls from that queue, but you're still available in General Support. This is useful when one queue gets busy and you want to focus, or when your shift covers only certain queues at certain times. When you log out of a queue, calls that would have reached you are automatically routed to other available agents. You won't miss anything. The system just stops offering you calls from that queue. If no agents are available, callers hear the queue hold music until someone logs back in. Your desk phone and soft phone still work for direct calls. Logging out only affects queue-delivered calls. That's everything you need to know about logging in and out of queues. Use Logout All to leave everything at once, or the per queue buttons for fine-grained control. Your status updates instantly, and callers are always routed to available agents. Next, check out the Pausing and Pause Reasons video to learn how to temporarily step away without fully logging out.